Okay, so we have to log on to the ECC system. We have to log on to the client 820, user ID and the password. Okay, see. But if you go to SC11, yesterday I checked this one, BBAK. Okay, there are no records in the transactions. Okay, there are no records in the transaction. But so I have created one Z table. Okay, there is one Z table. Okay, this is the table. See, there are 4 records. There are 4 records. Okay, there are 4 records. So we will see how to extract these 4 records to my BW system by using your generic extraction. Okay, so what we have to do in generic extraction? So can you tell me what is the data, what data it is by seeing the fields, what you have in the table? ATM, name, address,
Customer
phone
details,
number. Yes, it's a customer master data, we can say. Right, this is a master text data na attribute data na?
attributes, sir.
Right, this is a attribute data. Okay, so I'm gonna create a data source, generic data source. What is the T code? Okay, try to create the data source in 800 client. Okay, 800 client. What is that? Okay, what is the T code for generic extraction? RS02. Okay, select the type of data source. Here what we need to select? We have to select master data attribute. Z master data attribute underscore test underscore batch 15. Okay, give some name and click on create. Where do you want to save it? I want to save it in the SD. Okay, master data attribute for batch 15. Okay, provide your short description, long description, medium description, and provide the table name. What is my table here? Okay, this is my table. Okay, enter. Okay, fine, no issues. Save it. No problem. Save it. Okay, same. Save it. Okay, because this is your master data attribute, we don't have a delta option, will not be there. Because if you want to set up a delta, at least one of these time characteristics has to be there. What is that? Unit, time, and time, cal day, or numeric pointer. Any one of these we should have. But because it is an attribute, we don't have any one of these objects. So we cannot load delta. Okay, fine. So this is my data source. This is my data source. So now go and check in if we have the data in our data source or not. What is the T code? RSA 3.
Yes, sir.
Right? There are 4 records. There are 4 records, right? So log on to BW system. What we have to do? Go to source system. Go to source system and okay, if you come here like this, Okay. What happened again? They have changed it. Okay, so double click on that, go to SD, right click, replicate metadata, continue. Okay, I don't want to replicate all. I want to only replicate the one what I have created. So uncheck all. This is symbol for deselect, and then select only the one what you want to replicate. Say continue. Okay, fine. So okay, this is inactive initially. You will find the data source with the inactive. See, not equal to, and it is in a gray color. So double click on your data source, go to change mode, activate it. Okay, and once it is activated, create your info package, save it, continue, go to schedule tab and say start. Shit. Today morning I saw and confirmed that it's working fine. Okay, fine. We will see the reporting part. Okay, I think again here under SAP there is one more client, 820. 820 is the client. Okay, they have created over here, and I have tested that. Yesterday night I was talking to them to fix it up. Again, I don't know what happened. Okay, fine. So query designer. So in the reporting, what we are discussing, we have discussed what is pre-characteristics, what is calculated key figure, and what is restricted key figure, and what is filter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So if you see here, we have seen what are the options we have seen here in the Vex queries. What is filter? Okay, and what is calculated key figure? What is restricted key figure? Right? Any doubts over here? Did you guys practice this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we'll see the conditions. Conditions means I want to see only top 5 customers. Try to practice now. Okay, so now say I want to see top 5 customers with respect to the revenue. I want to see the top 5 customers with respect to revenue. Okay, if that is the case, here conditions and exceptions. This is okay. We want to have a conditions. So click on this conditions, right click, new condition. Okay, when you click on condition, here earlier we have seen only filters and rows and columns. Now you can see one more tab, conditions. So right click on the white pane here, new condition. Double click on this. What do you want? I want top 5. No, Vinny, I can't hear you. Divakar, can you hear Veni? What she is speaking?
No, sir.
There is something wrong with your mic then. Yeah, we'll come. I haven't discussed till now the variables. Still we have to discuss that. I haven't discussed variables. Okay, so top 5 customers. Okay, top 5 customers. So give some name, any name. This is just a description. Okay, just a description. Then click on new key figures. So what is my key figure? I want to see the top 5 customers with respect to this revenue. What is my operator? I have different operators over here. Equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, top n, bottom n, top percentage, bottom percentage, top sum, bottom sum, like that. Okay. Say I want to have the top n. What is n value? 5. What is n value? 5. So click on, once you provide this information, select your key figure, select your operator, select your value and then click on transfer, then click on transfer. Okay, then if you go to this is what we are defining in the general here. Okay, it's a general tab. If you go to characteristics assignment, now these top 5 customers with respect to revenue for all the combinations, what are my combination? Customer, vendor and product. No, I want to see only product wise top 5 customers, or vendor wise top 5 customers, or customer wise customer. How do I want? I can select either one of that or combination of that, or I can select all, Okay, say I want to see all, then click on OK, then click on OK. Now I'll save this query with the other name. Top 5. Okay, save it. Okay, now log on here again, come back, go to RSRTT code, provide your BEX query, enter and click on execute. Click on execute. See, top 5 revenue values. Top 5 revenue. Okay, fine.